Okay, red light is on. Got this little joystick tripod thing, and the red light is on. Test, test, test. All right. So I was opening this Ulanzi, and then I said, let me do another unboxing video here, just for fun. Anyways, it's Ulanzi CU01 thermostatic semiconductor camera cooler kit. Right, check out the autofocus on this. Yeah, it works. All right. And getting better at opening these little boxes. Tore one up the other day, and all I had to do was slide it out. Okay, your reading materials. We'll read those later, maybe. And cable, USB to USB-C. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. I can do the digital zoom, I think. No? Maybe? Oh, wait a minute. I'm on automatic. Why is it not working? Oh, the zoom is not working. Oh, man. Is it recording? Okay. Well, anyways, the reason I got this is I was doing some prolonged recording at 4K, and it kept turning off. And it's a Sony a6700 camera, and I had heard all this about it overheating, and anyways, I was recording at 1080p, and it had no issues. But when I started recording at 4K, it started overheating. So I said, "Oh man!" So I ordered this little cooling kit, basically the fan with a battery. I hope I ordered the right one. Looks kind of small. Man, maybe I should have done this on the phone so I could show you when I put it on the back of the camera. Oh, tiny. Look bigger on YouTube. Yeah. Well, where are we? Oh, it's focusing on me. Is that? Okay, there it goes. And a little spring there. And a little battery pack. Forgot what I paid, but it was a good deal with a little battery pack. And you'll have to check out other sites for specs and all that stuff about. Oh, look at that! I put it on and it turned on right away. See, it keeps focusing on me. Okay, there it goes. So anyways, and then how you turn it on. Let's take this off. It's got little vents on the side. Didn't notice this before, but it's got the little vents on the sides, so that cools, or I guess an intake there, and the air comes out there. Let's try that out. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. Makes a little noise. So you got your what would you call this, the power thing there. Connect your there, and whoops, connect that there, or you got your little battery pack. So I'm not sure how long this is supposed to last, but I've got these VB99s, so maybe I should get on this side. Ugh. How's that? Ugh. We'll give it a try. So hook this here. I messed up the other day. I did a unboxing of this battery, and I said that it had two USB and two C's, and I messed it all up. Forgot what it was. It's another one, but anyways, that's what I get for not checking. All right, yeah, there it goes. So oh yeah, from your battery to the fan, or with your little battery pack. And I got a pretty good deal on it during Black Friday with the little thing there, cooling kit. All right, so let me unmount the camera, and I'll finish this off with the phone. Right, so like I was saying, you mount this. Oh yeah, perfect size. You just mount that right there, and let's see, press the little button, I think. Yeah, there you go. Can't even hear it. Oh, see that? It's got different levels. I think one of them might be automatic. Well, I have to, not really, I don't know if you saw, I just kind of tossed a little paperwork to the side. I'm not good at reading the specs, but kind of learn as I go, hands-on. But yeah, it's got little, not sure if you can hear it, but off, 1, 2, 3. All right, well, hopefully this takes care of the overheating. Now I can do 4K, maybe. All right, not bad. Oh, I just realized, oh no, I guess I'll just have to figure out how to flip the little screen so I can, if I'm Whoops. So we'll have to flip the screen. Yeah, that'll work. And you just pop it in place. Wow, piece of cake. Oh, check it out. My little battery fell, but yeah, that's it. It's got a little screen off to the side. Good to go. All right, we're done. Okay, so after putting the camera, the A6700 on 4K, and I disconnected the little mic so you can hear. So the fan had 3 settings: low, medium, I assume, and then 3 was auto, which sounded the loudest, which it's on right now. So we'll see if you can hear that, which is, like I said, it's the loudest. And I can faintly hear it from where I'm sitting. So that's, like I said, that's auto. And we'll test the other. Okay, that's auto 3. Okay, that's off. That's 1. Like at the eye doctor. 1 or 2. So 1 or 2. That's 2. And then this is 3 right here. Oh, didn't make a difference. So off, 1, 2, auto. Okay. And it says I will be using the little. Okay, let's plug this. Test. Okay, I'll be using the little mic. So you shouldn't be able to hear the fan now. All right, so that's the. Yeah, that's the Ulanzi Charlie Uniform 01, CU01. Check that out. And I'm using a Viltrox 27 millimeter autofocus 1.8, I believe. Yeah. Okay. It worked. The fan worked. The little mic worked. Test. I could see the little green lights moving. And the auto. Oh, couldn't get the zoom to work earlier, and the zoom settings were off. I guess I could have done this instead of going up to the lens. So this is the digital zoom on the what do you call it, a prime lens. So I'm using the digital zoom, and I'm using the little tripod that came with the, well, it didn't come with the camera, but it was like 99 bucks. I said, what the heck? And I've never used it. You're supposed to be able to do this for selfies with your camera, but I think it's gonna look kind of awkward. Big old lens and camera with this little thing here. Anyways, that's it.